If your workshop isn't spotless, you're losing time and risking damage. These shop vacs will change the way you clean forever. The Stanley Shop Vacuum is a solid entry in the world of heavy-duty cleaning tools. Have you ever struggled to clean up sawdust or liquid spills efficiently? This vacuum might just be the reliable helper you need in your garage or workshop. Its compact design doesn't sacrifice power, offering strong suction and a decent capacity that handles both dry and wet messes with ease. What stands out about the Stanley is its versatility. It comes with various nozzles and accessories that make reaching tight corners or cleaning upholstery straightforward. The motor runs quietly enough not to be a nuisance, which is a nice surprise given the vacuum's power. After a few uses, I noticed how easy it is to empty and maintain, which makes the whole process less of a chore. Using this vacuum feels like having a professional assistant at your side, cutting down cleaning time dramatically. You get the satisfaction of seeing a spotless work area that's ready for the next project. However, the tank size might feel a bit limited if you're managing very large cleaning jobs regularly. If you want a dependable, no-fuss vacuum that delivers consistent results without breaking the bank, the Stanley Shop Vacuum could be exactly what your workspace needs. DeWalt's 6-shop vacuum impresses right out of the box with its robust build and thoughtful design. Ever wondered why some shop vacs struggle with heavier debris? This one tackles everything from drywall dust to larger chunks without losing suction. The 6-gallon capacity strikes a comfortable balance, offering enough room to clean extended messes without constant emptying. The rugged wheels and sturdy handle make maneuvering this vacuum a breeze even on uneven floors. Plus, the quick-release filter system speeds up cleanup and ensures the motor stays protected from clogging. I was particularly pleased with how the vacuum maintained strong suction throughout my test runs, something that can be rare in this price range. Cleaning with this DeWalt feels efficient and almost effortless, giving you more time to focus on your projects instead of tidying up. Of course, it's a bit heavier than some smaller models, so it might not be ideal if you have to carry it up and down stairs frequently. For those who want a dependable mid-size vacuum that combines power and practical features, this DeWalt 6-shop vacuum is a trustworthy companion that won't let you down. The Shop Vac vacuum is a classic name in the world of heavy-duty cleaning, and this model reinforces why. Have you ever wished for a vacuum that adapts seamlessly to both wet and dry spills without fuss? This vacuum's large capacity and robust motor deliver exactly that, making it perfect for serious workshop cleaning or garage maintenance. What I appreciated most was how well it handles a variety of debris types, from fine dust to larger bits of wood, without losing suction power. The included attachments cover every cleaning scenario, while the sturdy build ensures this vacuum will last for years. Using it gives a tangible sense of control over even the messiest environments, making cleanup quick and satisfying. On the downside, the vacuum is a bit bulkier compared to others, which might be a consideration if storage space is tight. Also, some users might find the noise level a tad higher than expected. If you're ready to invest in a shop vacuum that blends power, capacity, and durability, the Shop Vac vacuum remains a standout choice that's tough to beat. For those on a budget, the VacMaster Shop Vac offers surprising value without skimping on essential features. Ever needed a quick, reliable vacuum for smaller jobs or occasional spills? This model's compact size and user-friendly design make it a great option for light to medium-duty cleanup. Despite its modest price, the VacMaster delivers solid suction and comes with several useful attachments that make it versatile around the house or workshop. I found it especially handy for picking up sawdust and small debris, and the easy-to-empty tank makes maintenance hassle-free. Its lightweight build means you can carry it around effortlessly, which is great if mobility is important. Of course, this vacuum isn't designed for the heaviest or most demanding jobs, so if you're tackling large-scale messes often, you might find the capacity limiting. Also, the motor runs a bit louder than premium models. Still, if you want a practical, no-frills vacuum that works well for every day, clean up without draining your wallet, the VacMaster Shop Vac is definitely worth considering. The DeWalt DXV Shop Vacuum is a compelling choice for anyone who values power and durability in one package. Have you ever been frustrated by vacuums that lose suction halfway through a job? This model's high-performance motor and efficient filtration system keep it running strong, even during extended use. The 6-gallon tank offers a good balance between size and portability, and the rugged construction promises longevity in tough workshop conditions. I particularly liked the automatic filter cleaning feature. which reduces downtime and keeps performance consistent. Moving this vacuum around is easy thanks to its smooth rolling wheels and ergonomic handle. Using the DeWalt DXV feels like upgrading your cleaning routine. It's reliable, fast, and gets the job done without fuss. On the downside, it's a bit heavier than some competitors, which might be noticeable if you use it frequently on stairs or uneven surfaces. If you want a heavy-duty vacuum that combines smart features with solid power, this DeWalt model should be at the top of your list. The DeWalt 5-Shop Vacuum represents a top-tier option in the shop vacuum category, designed for professionals who demand the best. Ever wished your vacuum could handle everything from fine dust to wet messes without missing a beat? This model's powerful motor and advanced filtration answer that need with ease. Its 5-gallon capacity is optimized for efficiency, and the durable construction means it can withstand harsh job site conditions. I was impressed by how quiet it runs compared to other heavy-duty VACS, which makes those long cleanup sessions easier to bear. The included accessories cover all bases, from narrow crevices to wide surface areas. There's a minor trade-off in price, as this vacuum is on the higher end. But what you gain is a professional-grade tool that simplifies your chores. The only other consideration might be its slightly heavier weight, but that's expected given its power. For those who want nothing but the best in shop vacuums, the DeWalt 5 is a premium choice that delivers real performance and durability. The WeClean Shop Vacuum offers a balanced mix of affordability and functionality that makes it a smart pick for everyday workshop tasks. Have you ever needed a vacuum that's easy to handle but still powerful enough for serious debris? This model fits that description perfectly, with a compact design and solid suction power. I was pleasantly surprised by how effectively it picked up both dry dust and wet spills, making cleanup quicker and less of a hassle. The range of attachments included is generous, allowing for detailed cleaning in hard-to-reach spots. Plus, the relatively quiet motor lets you work without the usual noise fatigue. A small downside might be the tank size, which is on the modest side, so frequent emptying could be required for bigger jobs. However, for most home workshops or light commercial use, it performs admirably. If you want a reliable, easy-to-use shop vacuum that won't overwhelm your budget but still handles its job well, the WeClean Shop Vacuum is definitely worth a look.